You can see here this poultry structure. The roofing material is of polythene sheet. The cost of this structure is around 1200 to 1500 depending upon the locality. इसको बनाने में कहीं लेबर चार्ज कहीं ज़्यादा लेबर लेता है, मटेरियल का कॉस्ट ऑलमोस्ट सेम ही है, और लेबर चार्ज जो है कहीं 300 रुपये पर डे लेता है, कहीं 500 रुपये पर डे लेता है. That's why the cost varies from 1200 to 1500. और ये काफ़ी सक्सेसफुल रहा, पर at the same time the poultry owners और the village women they told us कि मैडम ये रेन तो ये बारिश को तो ये सह लेता है, पर देखा गया है कि इन समर सीजन ज़्यादा पॉलीथीन शीट है, ड्यू टू पॉलीथीन शीट इट गेट्स मोर हॉटर, गर्म हो जाता है और ह्यूमिडिटी इज आल्सो देयर. तो उसके कारण अगर उन्होंने कहा कि अगर आप इसका रिफाइनमेंट करेंगे और कुछ थोड़ा सा कुछ और सोचे तो शायद इस मोर्टेलिटी रेट को और थोड़ा कम किया जा सकता है. तो इस पर ये सोचने ये जब हमने देखा कि हाँ ये भी प्रॉब्लम है, हालांकि ये एज कम्पेयर टू ओपन ग्रेजिंग इट्स वेरी सुटेबल और इट्स ऑल्सो चीपर, पर फिर इसमें हम लोगों ने रिफाइनमेंट किया है. एंड नेक्स्ट स्लाइड ये इसका जो रूफिंग मटेरियल है दैट हैज बीन रिप्लेस्ड बाय द हैज्ड मटेरियल पैडी स्ट्रॉ, जो विच इज वेरी इजीली लोकली अवेलेबल. पैडी स्ट्रॉ से भी उसको हम लोगों ने उसको रिप्लेस किया, और अब जो ये स्ट्रक्चर है दे फार्मर्स आर वेरी मच सेटिस्फाइड, क्योंकि इसमें ये गर्म भी नहीं होता है ज़्यादा और रेन को भी कवर अप कर लेता है. सबसे बड़ी बात है कि इट्स पोर्टेबल, खूब बारिश हो रही है इसको उठा के अंदर ले जा सकते हैं दोनों पकड़ के, और इसमें मोर्टेलिटी भी कम है. और ये जो डाटा हम लोगों ने लिया है, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड, ये देखा गया है कि जनरली जो हाउस होल्ड लेवल पे जो पोल्ट्री फार्मर्स करती हैं या विमेन करती हैं, ओपन या टेम्पररी सेट बनाती हैं. टेम्पररी सेट बनाने में भी हमको 50 रुपये लगा, केवल सेट का ये कॉस्ट दिया हुआ है सेट बनाने में, और उसकी ड्यूरेबिलिटी भी 4 से 6 मंथ ही रहता है, 4 से 6 महीना तक रहता है. उसमें मोर्टेलिटी 70% ऑब्जर्व किया गया. हमने जब पॉलीथीन शीट के साथ उसको दिया तो पॉलीथीन शीट का कॉस्ट था 170 रुपये आया उस साइज का बनाने में, और वो 2.5 से 3 साल तक तो रह पाया वो पॉलीथीन शीट, और उसमें मोर्टेलिटी परसेंट डिक्रीज अप टू 40%. पर जब पैडी स्ट्रॉ के साथ हम लोगों ने रूफिंग मटेरियल से इसको बनाया तो पैडी स्ट्रॉ तो चूँकि लोकली अवेलेबल था, इट हार्डली कॉस्ट ओनली 50 रुपीज़, पर ये इसके साथ प्रॉब्लम था कि हर साल इसको चेंज करना. पैडी स्ट्रॉ 1 साल से ज़्यादा नहीं रहता, उसका लास्टिंग लाइफ उसका 1 साल ही है, उसके बाद उसको चेंज करते हैं 1.5 साल बाद चेंज करना पड़ रहा है. Strong potential as an income generating activity for resource poor people at all levels of rearing, whether eggs, chicks or chickens. But high growth performance of poultry sector is confined mostly to the commercially run large sector. Furthermore, poultry keeping is gender friendly technology and in many cases remain open control. The whole process of poultry, right from feeding to marketing, contributing towards women empowerment in terms of economic independence. About care and management of poultry in hygienic way that we aim towards women empowerment. Secondly, with regard to costings, high mortality due to various diseases and unhealthy management practices constitutes one of the greatest constraints in the field of poultry, and that has to be addressed further by extension. And the other, the most important thing is also that the procedure for getting financial support. That's what I think.
Anybody has any economic? But it is not exposed to the snakes.
Yes. ये जो सेंटर बनाया गया थी, बनाया बिल्कुल कॉम्पैक्ट है, दैट द स्नेक कैनॉट गो if there is any hole, if there is any hole there, that the snake can enter into that.
Right now it is like the problem cannot be impossible. So I was watching certain gaps in the one thing that was in my mind. Another thing
that may be made more.
Does insurance company has any bird insurance policy also as of maybe Bihar? Bird insurance policy. I don't.
Year, and the cost is rupees 1,200 rupees for that center. That means per chicks it will cost rupees 60. So I am thinking it is not a commercial purpose. Anybody cannot use it.
It is only for at the household level.
Yeah, I am talking about if some family is investing rupees 1,200 rupees and getting just 20 chicks, chicks can be started laying after 6 months. 6 महीने के बाद वो अंडा देना शुरू करेगा, तो 6 महीने में वो 60 रुपया तो उससे कमाई उसकी होगी नहीं। तो क्या ये इकोनॉमिकल है एक रूरल हाउस होल्ड के लिए?
विदाउट दैट सेल्टर यही चीज मर जाती है। हम लोगों ने देखा है प्रैक्टिकल रूप से भाई इवेंट में केवी के अंडर प्रोग्राम और भाई आत्मा के प्रोग्राम से हम लोगों ने ग्रुप में समूह में जो वर्ड दिलवाया अवेलेबल कराया, 3 महीने के बाद जाओ वहाँ आपको नहीं मिलता है, बोलते मर गई आज बाय एनी रीजन। और ये हम लोगों ने करके देखा है, हम लोगों ने सेल्टर 5 ही प्रोवाइड किया है एक्सपेरिमेंटल बेसिस पे और हम उसका हेल्प वो कर रहे हैं, मतलब उनके पास सस्टेन हो रहा है। तो हमें तो 60 रुपया और 1200 रुपया ज़्यादा नहीं है।
What about income? Income
वगैरह भी निकाला है, इसमें नहीं पेपर में नहीं दिया हुआ है, पर उसका है हम लोगों ने डाटा।
वो आता तो एक बार ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है।
क्रॉस कॉस्ट क्रॉस रिटर्न एंड कॉस्ट बेनिफिट जो निकाला हुआ था तो इसमें नहीं है।
And you know, like mango, which is earlier less prone to insect, but due to severe climate change, right now we have so many problems in lychee, particularly our fruit borer, then root borer, red weevil is becoming a real threat to lychee production. Earlier we had only due to fruit borer we lost around 70% lychee crop. Next one. Next one. Then the middle infant figure. Just after mating it, layered eggs around 4 or 5 days. And after this one is mass, or after a laying, we will roll the leaves that completely protect from your sunshine as well as natural UV. This one our adult weevil and damage symptoms. Next one please. Just see, when we unrolled the leaf, we found the developing grubs inside the leaf. But when we tried to complete the biology outside the leaf, we opened here. I couldn't succeed. So just I would say, I only find that in this we will complete their life cycle around the 1 year in rolled leaves. Regarding some similar incidents, this insect we observed last time we did. But severe populations are we observed around 40 to 30 standard bees. That means around our more or less last week of September or first and second week of October. Or that plus is very important because that only our third plus in lychee, and that's mostly contribute in our flowering fertile fruiting. So that's keeping the importance of this pest important. We try to screen some chromatin molecules. As you know, sir, earlier, carbaryl and indosulfan. 2 molecules are very selective for the management of insects, particularly in vegetables, crops, and agricultural. Compare these molecules with our imidacloprid, which ones are already issued to the market last 10 years. Then, sir, another we checked 199. That was another standard miticide. And we found that, sir, all our molecules, tested molecules, are very promising, controlling this disease. And at the same time, we also controlled our ice weevil as well as fruit borer. But sir, due to paucity of time, I couldn't present all the data, but we have to. Yes, sir. We have given less time to discussion. Why I speak more? Absolutely. No, that's right. Because just after a laying, we will do the biology in open system. Just egg, even grub, even pupa, in any state, they will survive. So this is the beauty of this weevil. Only you can search out any parasite predator only in adult stage because all stages are hidden except weevil. So We tried only our test chemicals only on the adult babies. Exposed, we can only expose to adult babies, not more than that.
To announcement, those who are posters, they can go outside and display their posters. And another one, there is some award ceremony. And I am requesting community to announce their name.
to Dr. PM Tripathi, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Salapole MP. Dr. R.K. Yadav, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Jhabua MP. Dr. Surendra Kumar Tiwari, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, MP. Dr. Nuhur Kumar Singh, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Kanpuri, Arunachal Pradesh. Dr. Sanjeev Kumar, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Nalanda, Bihar. He is also a present acting on the school books. Dr. Mukesh Kumar, ICR Director. Dr. Mukesh Kumar. I think he's absent. The next is Dr. Sharad Kumar Dwivedi. Dr. Shakti Shurvanshi, Allahabad, Checks. Dr. The next is Distinguished Scientist Award. It goes to Hemant Kumar Singh. Then Dr. Subhash Chand. Dr. Subhash Chand, DDU, Gorakhpur. Okay, thank you very much.
Next oral presentation, Srimati Anuradha Ranjan Kumari.
Here I am going to present the research topic, constant networks by reading self-help group development laws. Women constitute nearly half of the population of our country, but their contribution has not yet been recognized once. The major basis for the empowerment of women is financial autonomy and independence. The development of our country is not possible unless aligned with our economic condition of improvement. Self-help group are considered as one of the most important tools for economic empowerment of women. It is the most important. The basic objective of self-help group is act as the empowerment of women. The problem of unemployment and poverty has assumed alarming dimension in India, especially in the state of Uttar Pradesh. The SHG-based entrepreneurship is almost non-existent in Uttar Pradesh, although much has been done for SHG members, replaced by the women SHG entrepreneurs. The study was conducted in Devaya district of Uttar Pradesh. There are 16 blocks of Devaya district. Out of 16 blocks, 2 blocks, that is Lengpur and Bhatta community selected for study. From each blocks, 4 villages selected for this study. 4 villages, that is 4 villages, that is Malna, Lakshman Chak, each SHG, 10 members selected. Thus total 160 women self-help group members were selected for this study. Distribution of the respondents according to their personal constant. This is just based on the constant base. The major constant of their personal constant, that is lack of education among the women. Major constant of their personal constant. The lack of partnership of new innovations. Most of the women are living in rural area or as a social media and the internet is not using properly in the rural area and not increase the knowledge of new innovations and the lack of confidence of women. The most of the rural women are engaged in household level work, that is care of child and kitchen garden, care of the whole family and other household activity. So they are not spending the time of personal confidence. Followed by lack of marketing strategy or trend setting and lack of information about the changing market scenario, 43.12% ranks third. This table shows that the bank SHG coordination constant. The majority of the SHG members faced the bank coordination constant, that is unfavorable attitude of bank officials, 45.62%, followed by poor perception about SHG by bank officials, 38.12%, and lack of recovery, 35.62%, ranks third. Over dependence on intermediary, rank fourth, and poor record keeping is rank 5. Next. Women role outside the home, that is 61.25%, rank first. Most of the rural family usually generally think about the women are role in the household inside the boundary, inside the household boundary, but men is the work outside the work. So, followed by tendency of underestimate women's capacity This is the overall constant, and the most of the self-help group and women members stay under the middle level of constant, that is 56.87%, followed by low and high 23.12% and 20%. This is the major problems, major constants of literacy and lack of knowledge of women and illiterate women and low level of women are usually not understand the process of function of self-help group, and lack of cooperation among women rank second, that is 27.50% constant. All the members are bound to start the business in individual, that is lack of cooperation among women. Most of the members feel that money for saving in group account. Constant diversity the women members in functioning of self-help group. Lack of leadership among women 54.7%, but rank was followed by lack of working ability of members, rank second 3.12%. All the members are working within inside our house, not developed in lack of leadership quality, not developed the confidence. But most of the women are English in household work, and that is care of child, care of old members. So not spend the time for working for self-help group. Constant and persistent by women members in bank transactions, and lack of information about banking procedure. 51.25% and high, followed by rules and regulations which the women cannot fulfill. 6.87% bank savings and no fees for many banks in bank third, 39.37%. The getting specialized bank of rules and regulation or rules and regulation is not easily understand the women self-help group members. Rules and regulation of SHG members are flexibility. So all the illiterate and low level of knowledge of women really understand the process of bank I will conclude